Hello, my name is Apple. This time I will talk about how to make basil chicken. This time I will say about dramatic. Warning, I say bring back the video. Perhaps the sound may not match the video.
3 weeks later.
This is basil. This is chili. So spicy. This is poultry. And a little water. Don't forget flavoring. First, put a little oil on the hot pan. Put all chili and stir chili in pan.
2,000 years later.
Put protein on the pan and stir it. This step is a long time. I will skip it now.
6.5 hours later.
Put the chicken with basil leaves stew to combine.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
This time basil chicken is finished now. I cook it very long time. Sorry about talk the sound. Bring back the video. Sorry about that.